In a world dominated by SUVs and crossovers, car enthusiasts often long for the return of true classics. Low-slung, wide-bodied cruisers that remind us of the golden days of motoring. Today, we're taking a look at one such masterpiece, a stunning Chevrolet Caprice convertible that blends vintage charm with modern flair, earning its rightful place as a show-stopping donk. This is no digital rendering or concept sketch, it's the real deal. Spotted and shared by Roadshow International on social media, this Chevy Caprice is more than just a restored classic. It's a rolling piece of art, a candy-coated cruiser that grabs attention everywhere it goes. Let's break down why this Caprice is making waves across the car community. The first thing that strikes you is the exterior. Draped in candy cinnamon 3M wrap, the Caprice shines like it just rolled out of an automotive candy shop. From bumper to bumper, every panel glimmers under the light, bringing out the bold, confident lines of this full-size American convertible. Chrome trim adds an extra sparkle, perfectly complementing the wrap while staying true to the Caprice's heritage of luxury and flash. But no donk is complete without oversized wheels, and this build delivers in spades. The Caprice sits high on 24-inch gold-colored wire wheels wrapped in ultra-thin white wall tires. While the wheels might look exaggerated to some, they're central to the donk aesthetic, loud, proud, and impossible to ignore. The stance transforms this car from a simple classic into a street legend. Step inside, and the Caprice reveals even more candy-coated magic. The interior has been completely reworked and is now finished in a shade Roadshow International calls caramel. The beige upholstery covers the seats, door panels, and much of the cabin, creating a warm contrast against the fiery exterior. The dashboard features a different hue for balance, and the two-spoke steering wheel gives a nod to the original design. Look closer, and you'll notice metal pedal caps and a modern audio system with updated head unit and speakers. Proof that this build respects the past but embraces the present. What's especially appealing about this Chevy Caprice is how it blends show and go. It's not simply about looks, though it has plenty. It's also about craftsmanship. The interior feels like new. The wrap is flawlessly applied, and the chrome gleams as if it just left the showroom floor. This isn't restoration, it's reinvention. Of course, one big question remains. How much does a build like this cost? While the exact selling price of this Caprice wasn't disclosed, it recently found a new owner. Considering the labor, materials, and customization involved, one can only imagine the investment. For die-hard fans of American classics, though, the value lies less in numbers and more in the sheer presence of the car. The Chevrolet Caprice has long been a symbol of American cruising culture. Originally known for its size, comfort, and smooth ride, the Caprice has evolved into a favorite canvas for customizers, especially within the donk community. Builds like this candy cinnamon convertible carry forward that legacy, showing the world that traditional body styles still have the power to turn heads in an era overwhelmed by high-riding SUVs. This Chevy Caprice is more than just a car. It's a statement, a celebration of style, culture, and individuality. From its bold wrap to its gold wheels and caramel interior, it embodies the joy of driving something unique. It's sweet, it's stylish, and it proves that the automotive candy shop is still very much open.